you playing? Gesture and press. This is what they ordered. Chicken from Robert Chicken. Is it good though? Is that you?
Yeah,
You won.
I'm the winner.
You won first place.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
Wow, that's so cool.
You want to go home already? We still have a full day ahead of us. This area is the food court in Opus Mall. There's the Bored and Hungry. That's right. Now we're gonna go to the Central Garden. This is the Central Garden at Opus. Let's go. Let's take a picture here. Let's take a picture. It says no sitting. Let's see here. Take a picture right over there. Okay, right here. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How about right here? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Opus. There's the Central Garden that we took pictures at. Now we're going down. Let's go down. You guys go first. I gotta show Tony there. There's a coming soon, Dave and Buster's. Take picture there and videos. Okay. That's like a little art gallery thing. This is Opus Mall here in Quezon City. One of these days we'll eat at the Nono's. Nono's? It's Nono's. One day we'll eat there. There's the cinemas right there. That's the matcha place that I went to, Matcha Tokyo. What? Not real gold, baby. They have a lot of restaurants here. All right, we'll take a picture right here. Here, you guys go, or you want me to take a picture? Maybe in the middle there, right? Let me see, like this. Yeah. Taking a picture. I'm going to show you guys the Bistro Group restaurants down here. There's the Red Lotus by Modern Chang. Yeah, they have Fridays over there, and then Olive Garden over here. See, this is all the Bistro Group right here, babe. All Bistro Group. Maybe just a small one with toppings. Justin, do you want any ice cream or it's like yogurt? You okay? Cool. We're gonna get ice yogurt for Ate here. Okay, you have to tell them what toppings you want, okay? You want that? Okay. Hello. Can we do the medium with 3 toppings? Yes. Okay, tell what the toppings you want. Huh? Tell. You want the strawberry sauce? Okay, strawberry sauce, and then what else? Grapes. And watermelon? Okay, that's it. 3 toppings. That's it, yeah. Okay. You're gonna share with Ate, okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we wait over here. See, there's a topping. Okay, they're gonna give it to us, okay? We have to wait over here. Thank you. They put Linda on there. That's funny. Here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You don't like it? That's the flavors that you picked. You said watermelon, grapes, and then strawberry sauce. We are at Eastwood Mall. This is at Eastwood Mall. This one. We are looking for the Super Park. This is Super Park, Philippines. It's like chocolate. This is Eastwood Mall, guys. Eastwood City. See what they have over here. It's starting to rain. It might rain later. We're at 7-Eleven. What you gonna get, Fifi? What you got there? Dutchman? Just something else? Let's go here. It's coffee time.
Help me, I need that coffee.
You guys not gonna be able to eat. Careful.